Hello everyone.
Hi.
Good start, good design. Uh, this is in too much age. I mean, इतना भी एज पे नहीं होना चाहिए इसको. ये बहुत एज पे है, इतना स्पेस खाली है ना. यहाँ पे इतना स्पेस खाली है. एम्प्टी होना चाहिए, लेकिन ये इतना पे खाली छोड़ के ये क्यों इतना टॉप पे गया हुआ है, राइट? So it must be little down and just try to arrange it. I mean, this is like very scattering. I mean, everything is very individual. This is an individual. This is individual again. This is individual again. So there is no overlap in the design. So which is really problematic. Like if I show you one image. Look at this image. Everything is separate, right, Habib? Everything is separate, but they all have a harmony,
Hmm.
right? Everything is separate. This is a separate element. This is of course a separate element. This is of course a separate. This is a separate. But it all the elements has a harmony, and that is the beauty on it. So
It's separate but looking like they're connected.
yes, looking like they are connected. So I mean, this design also needs something to uh, connect with each other. That bonding is required to each and every element. And especially the problem is here is the file size, which is the first priority of any file, right? Okay. But it's a good attempt. Let's move on to Riya Ghosh Chaudhary. This is a good one. This is a good start. No doubt it's good. But I am thinking it's too much of text here. Uh, try if possible, then try to reduce text. It's too much information in there. It's not it's a awareness poster, of course, but I am feeling it's too much text there. I mean, and maybe she will may write something over here as well, right? That's why she kept that space, right, Abhi?
Yes, maybe she didn't get enough time before the
Yeah,
submission.
yeah, no, that is okay. That is okay. But I am saying that कि text इसमें बहुत है,
हाँ हाँ
मतलब
हाँ
बहुत
और भी
ज्यादा
वो
text
उधर
है.
उधर एक्चुअली टेक्स्ट ऐड कर देंगे तो पूरा इमेज एक्चुअली टेक्स्ट पे ही भर जाएगा.
टेक्स्ट पे बढ़ जाएगा. तो अभी मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा कौन सा टेक्स्ट को आपको हाईलाइट करना है, आपको थोड़ा उस पर एम्फसाइज करना चाहिए. अगर आपका सिर्फ ये चीज को एम्फसाइज करना है, तो बाकियों को उसके हिसाब से थोड़ा सा बैलेंस करो. और अगर आपको कुछ दूसरा चीज को हाईलाइट करना है, कोई टेक्स्ट को, तो उसको एनहांस करो, बाकी चीज को थोड़ा सा ये करो, प्रायोरिटी कम दो. नाउ only apart from this text, no, this bold text, everything is almost same. I mean, it's too much of text actually. So I mean, you can think like the way that के थोड़ा सा टेक्स्ट कम करके अगर कुछ एनहांस हो सकता है, तो थोड़ा सा शायद फ्री स्पेस मिलेगा. Okay, that is all for Riya Ghosh Chaudhary, but this is pretty organized, huh? I mean, I like it. I mean, it's quite good. It's a quite good in a quite good stage.
Yeah, the design and the color is going with each other, right?
Yes, and there is a logo there of the image, which is not good. You just have to clone it or remove it or use another image, whatever it is. This is pretty bad. I mean, this is a negative thing, right?
No,
I
no.
mean,
Can you
no
please
one,
explain? Can you please explain why can't we use any logo in our image?
because there is, this is not our property, right?
Okay, okay.
We must not use anyone's property. So अगर लोगो भी है, तो हम लोग उसको डायरेक्टली यूज नहीं कर सकते. आप उस लोगो को क्लीन करो, उस पर चेंजेस करो. हम लोग किसी का डायरेक्टली हम लोग कोई पोस्टर देखते हैं क्या किसी का दूसरे का इमेज लेके उसमें
Okay,
लोगो
okay.
लगाया हुआ है? So this is not the right way. This is like you are stealing from someone and just using for your purpose. So, okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, Kalu Charan Dakua. Okay, so this is a very basic right now, in a very basic stage, but quite interesting. Quite interesting. I am thinking. Uh, just keep continuing the thing. The color is good, right, Abhi?
Yes,
The color
yes.
combination is good.
The color and I like the more than color, I like the design.
The shape, right? The shape,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
is a bit different than the usual, but
Mm.
that's why I'm saying that keep doing it. It's a good start. Uh, use some text, use some more design element to keep everything together. It's a good one.
I think he has a good plan. I will
Yeah, maybe,
continue.
maybe he
Yes,
has a good
yes.
plan. Yes. Okay, this is Mauli Gada. Uh, I think the color is bit not going with the situation. Maybe. Uh, I mean, red and green is good, no doubt a good, but uh, this red and green combination, I'm not that much satisfying with this color, uh, especially this red. Uh, and maybe she has planned to add some more thing here. Maybe I'm not sure because this is a WIP, but still, I mean, she need to arrange more, right? Habib,
Yes,
she
yes.
need to arrange.
I like the combination of white and red color actually.
White and red is always good. These
Yes,
three
yes,
colors
yes.
work together is very nice, which is white, red, and black. Always.
Yes,
This,
yes.
this these three colors will work good. I mean, whenever you want these three colors, no. But
Yes.
here, this green I think is I'm bothering me. Uh, uh, I mean, रेड के अगेंस्ट में जो आ रहा है ना, यहाँ पे रेड और यहाँ पे तो वो पिंक हो रहा है, तो मुझे वो थोड़ा सा बॉदर कर रहा है, जैसे अभी इफ यू सी नो लुक एट दिस,
Yes, 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 yes. The background Corona
या दिस
sign.
इज बिट कंफ्यूजिंग राइट.
Yes, yes.
यहाँ पे एक थोड़ा सा समझ नहीं आ रहा है, तो शायद वो थोड़ा सा एक बार सोचना चाहिए. एंड द सेकेंड थिंग के अगर आपने यहाँ इस पे ड्रॉप शेडो यूज किया हुआ है, जो यहाँ यहाँ से सिर्फ यहाँ तक है, जो यहाँ पे नहीं है, यहाँ पे कट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे भी नहीं है, तो फिर ऐसा पूरा होना चाहिए ना, राइट? जो है
Yes.
नहीं है अभी. अगर ड्रॉप शेडो है तो वो सही से होना चाहिए, वो नीचे भी होगा. सो ये सब चीज आपको फॉलो करना चाहिए. एंड आई थिंक यहाँ पे कुछ मैसेज होना चाहिए जो इस कंसेप्ट से रिलेटेड हो. करेक्ट. जो इसको इसको जस्टिफाई नहीं कर रहा है, ये इमेज को जस्टिफाई अभी तक तो नहीं हो रहा है.
Mm.
ठीक है, ये इमेज का अलग से आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग. If you add a proper caption which can relate this image, a text which can relate with this image, that will help a lot.
Yes, yes.
क्या
Maybe she
बोलते हो
has
अभी?
more plan. Let's
Yes,
see.
maybe.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I'm just suggesting whatever I'm saying. I'm just suggesting. So it's up to you, guys. I mean, whoever is working on his own project. So this is your project. I mean, you're the parent for that particular child. So you just have to think a couple of more times.
Yes, yes. So the
Okay.
main thing is just the color is not looking good and the arrangement you need to change little bit and you need to
Yeah,
add one.
and even how we just look one more thing that there is a footnote kind of a thing there.
Yes,
I
yes,
mean,
yes.
which is not that much important. I mean, um, it's not required. I mean, it's cutting the image and I
Yes,
don't
yes.
know, which is
Now
maybe
that
you have to play with
COVID-19,
the text or something.
yes, yes, that COVID-19 or coronavirus, whatever is written there, that should be visible in the image only.
Yeah, that
We
should be. I
should
mean,
understand
you
what is
you
the
have to think.
situation by the image only.
Yeah, you have to think, you have to prioritize the requirement, which one is your keyword or key note or key text, so you have to plan accordingly. Okay, so I have the last one, which is Alok Chakrabarti. So first of all, in this one, I really don't like is the shape. The shape is gone. The shape
Spaced out.
should be this, right?
Round.
Round, right? So it's not round right now. Look, you know, just he just squeezed it a little bit, so this become a very bad kind of a shape. And the same note for him also, जो पहले भी मैंने ऑलरेडी मेंशन किया हुआ है किसी और के काम पे भी. इमेज, अगर इमेज आप यूज कर रहे हो, इमेज शुड बी प्रॉपरली क्लीन. लुक एट द एजेस, है ना? The edges are really bad edges everywhere, especially these two character. And secondly, this, I mean, just keep watching more posters. So just I'm sharing you one thing. Just look at this. Look at the color. This is, I mean, nothing is there. Only three colors are there, right? As I told before already, Habib. So
Yes, yes, that same
this
color.
this is a very simple color, but this is looks very sophisticated, right? But
Yes, yes.
is this one looking sophisticated? This blue? No, I think. I mean, it's not either catchy or not even very sophisticated as well. So just think about this color, this blue. This is very difficult to balance with a green. So you have to be very careful with this blue. और at the same time, ये भी बहुत ही ऊपर हो चुका है. ये बहुत जगह यहाँ पे स्पेस एम्प्टी है. You have to utilize this, right? And one more thing, ये इमेज इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग है अभी, ये चीज दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Yes, yes. The main
ठीक है,
focus
ये
needs to
चीज
be the mask only, right? As mentioned in the yeah.
डिपेंड्स वो क्या बोलना चाहता है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि ये चीज अगर कहीं भी होगा ना, कोई फर्क भी नहीं पड़ेगा. इसका इम्पोर्टेंस अभी है ही नहीं. करेक्ट. तो आपको पहले वो डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा आलोक के इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है. Like what I really like, he used these images. I mean, some, don't gather anywhere. I mean, don't shake your hand kind of thing. But you have to utilize it. Like Habib, in this composition, we can understand that. I mean, everything is together. I mean, it's not like
Yes, yes, yes,
separate.
yes. There is no
Yeah.
separate focus. There
हाँ.
is nothing to focus actually. Everything is all together and put together.
Yes, all together and put together. You have to balance a lot. So yeah, maybe this is a WIB. That's why. So he just but yeah. I mean, these are the I mean, these are the key things which you should follow.
Yes, yes. One more
And
thing I'd like to add, Sandipan. That spelling, COVID-19
yeah,
spelling.
I was just supposed to say that we don't want this E, dude. This is extra for us. This is extra for us.
So for poster design, this is a huge mistake, right?
No doubt. No
Yes.
doubt. No doubt, it's a very huge mistake. So you have to be very compact. I mean, just look at the images, look at the references, and what we got. Whenever you got any brief, no, you should be properly planned. I mean, you have the page ready. You have to think, okay, I will put a text here. I will put an image here, right? I will do a this here, that here, an image like this. a text like that, a footnote like this. You have to be this kind of, everyone should do that, right? A layout, which is
Yes,
a
yes, yes.
layouting. First, do the layout. Just think about the layout. Look at the references, build couple of layouts, then start doing this thing, uh, this kind of design. Now what happened ki, people are getting images and they were thinking how to fit it in my poster.
Yes, yes, yes.
So it should be different. It should not like this. You have to be fixed with your idea and then choose the images or text or icons according to your requirement.
Yes, yes. Now they are first they are choosing all the COVID-19 related images, then they are putting all together.
Yes, you have to be very strong at the imagination in this point because in this topic, very less posters are there in the internet. So you don't have chance to take from anywhere. So yeah, you have to be very creative in this case. That's all from my side. Thank you. Thank you for your participation. It's very good. I mean, the entries. I'm talking about this poster designing entries. Very, very good to see all the work. Hope we'll get a good version. A good version means a good final version in the by the next weekend, the submission date, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
30 actually, this month end.
This month end, yes. Hope we will
Yes.
get a proper version. I mean, good
So they
entries.
have another 10 days. They can work on the corrections and they can implement new things also.
And Habib, and one more thing I want to add, that if anyone have
Yes,
any
yes.
queries regarding their particular work, they can write down in the chat box or something. I don't know, but
Yes,
uh,
yes. Particular about their work or about the review, if you didn't understand anything, you can write us on our social media page. We'll get back to you. And if
if
you
they are
any
live,
queries,
they can write it right
yes,
now
yes,
or
right now,
after
if
that
anyone
also.
is live with us, they can write the question in the chat box. So we'll answer that. If you have any question related to the competition, related to the review, so you can ask it. Okay. Maybe we'll be live for another 5 to 10 minutes. So by that time, you can ask us anything.
So I'm just stopping the sharing,
Yes,
screen
yes.
sharing.
Yeah.
Yes. So Sandeepan, overall, this competition, how was it? The submissions. You got more submissions.
Yeah, I got more submission, but yes, this is good that to have good numbers as a participant. But
Yeah. Initial stage, this is a good number, right?
no doubt this is a good number. No doubt
Yes.
this is a good number. But the thing is that, yeah, this is already the WIP stage. So uh, the artist can, I mean, the students or the artist, whoever is working on this file, they can improve themselves. That is our main motive. So this is working. I think this is working.
Okay. So you gave them a poster design. Can you tell me uh, before designing the poster, what you need to do? How to thought about the poster? What to do? How to
Yeah,
think?
that is a, you were answering in term of the question.
Yes, 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 yes.
I mean,
But
like
can you
they
tell
have
me
to think
in
that what they have to
more
do.
specific word?
No, they have to think what they have to do.
Okay, okay, okay. So they need to
This
find
is the key thing.
reference. Yes,
आपको
yes.
आपको खाने से पहले सोचना पड़ेगा कि भाई आपको खाना क्या है.
Okay, okay.
Then you can eat, right?
Yeah, yeah. That is.
You have to think like you can eat in your hand by your hand or by your fork by your a spoon. You have to think it, right? It's not like कि जो भी मिले कर लो. So then it will not like unique, perfect. I mean, you have to think
Okay, okay.
first and then you have to incorporate on it.
Yes, yes. सो बाकी दोनों कंपटीशन का एक्चुअली पार्टिसिपेंट को मैं और एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगा कि गाइस प्लीज फॉलो द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन. दोनों मेंटर ही बोला है कि कुछ रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन फॉलो नहीं हो रहा है. प्रॉपरली फाइल का नेमिंग करो, प्रॉपरली फाइल का फॉर्मेट एंड इमेज साइज, वीडियो जो भेज रहे हो उसका प्रॉपरली नेमिंग करके भेजो. हम लोग नहीं चाहते कि आप लोग पूरा एक महीना काम करो या 15 दिन काम करो उसके बाद आपका वर्क डिस्क्वालीफाई हो जाए. तो आप लोग अगर नहीं देखे तो फिर से एक बार डाउनलोडेड फोल्डर पे या तो हम अपना वेबसाइट पे आके एक बार फिर से जो कॉमन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है एंड जो कंपटीशन बेस्ड रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन पे आपको डाउनलोडेड फोल्डर पे मिल जाएगा. उसके ऊपर अगर कुछ क्वेरी है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो आप हम लोगों को फेसबुक पे आके पूछ सकते हो अभी, या तो बाद में इस वीडियो के नीचे कमेंट कर सकते हो. या तो हम लोग अपना एकेडमी का वेब पेज का लिंक भी इसके नीचे डाल देंगे, उस पे जाके भी आप उधर से नंबर लेके या व्हाट्सएप लेके आप क्वेरी के लिए पूछ सकते हो। बट प्लीज फॉलो द रूल प्रॉपरली गाइस, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन, एंड यूज प्रॉपर नेमिंग।
हाबिब, मैं
हमें
कुछ
क्या
ऐड
कुछ।
कर रहा हूँ।
यस यस
यस यस
यस।
यस। नहीं, ये तो एकदम सही बात है कि एक आर्टिस्ट का जैसे एक उन्होंने मतलब 15 to 20 days से काम कर रहे, देन जब फाइल सबमिट हो गए तो देखा नहीं हम लोग, प्रॉपर रूल मेंटेन नहीं किया, तो एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए जब फाइनल सबमिशन होने के बाद जब रिजल्ट आएगा, जब उन्होंने देखा कि हाँ क्यों मेरा काम में कुछ नहीं आया, तो जब हम लोग रिव्यू करेंगे या तो रिजल्ट बताएंगे, तब सुन के खराब लगेगा बिकॉज तुम रूल्स फॉलो नहीं किया। क्योंकि कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन हो, कोई भी कहीं से भी कोई कंपटीशन होता है ना, तो उसका कुछ रूल्स होता है, तो वो मेंटेन करो। और वो एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए भी बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि आगे जाके ऐसे ही तुमको स्टूडियो हो वॉट एवर कहीं पे भी वो मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा और करना चाहिए। तो ये है। और एक चीज कमिंग 30 राइट, इस मंथ का एंड में
कमिंग
30th September,
coming 27th September we'll be
ट्वेंटी
launching.
सेवन या ओके।
We'll be launching all the other department, all the other subject as well. So those are like lighting, compositing, animation, modeling, texturing, wave, and we'll be launching this two competition again on the next month first. So
या
next month we'll have a lot of competitions going on. So
But
next
the
Sunday,
subject will be different. Subject will be
subject will be
different.
different every month. I think we are planning all the department every month will put one contest, but every month the subject and the guidelines maybe it will be different. The subject will be different. There might be the different guideline as well for you guys. Okay. So this coming Sunday we're gonna launch that competition. We're gonna tell everything about the competition, what to do, how to join the contest, how to submit the file. Okay.
यस।
So be with us, join our Facebook page, join, follow our web page. Okay.
यस यस यस। और कुछ भी आप लोगों का मतलब बाद में कुछ क्वेरीज रहेगा, तो हम लोग ऑलरेडी मतलब क्लिक ने ऑलरेडी व्हाट्सएप नंबर एंड लिंक भी दे दिए। तुम वहाँ पे जाके भी डायरेक्ट कुछ भी क्वेरीज है तो वो क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो।
Just go to our
And
website. We have
या
everything there in our website.
यस
someone from Click Academy, can you put the link below?
या
I have
ऑलरेडी शेयर्ड,
Okay,
ऑलरेडी
okay,
शेयर्ड
I
या।
have shared.
okay.
ओके, थैंक
So
यू गाइस।
guys, yeah, see you next Sunday. We'll be launching all the other competitions. Uh, so whoever is interested, they can join, they can take participate, they can get their work reviewed by industry professional. So this sets of creation, you guys join, please.
हेलो
Yes, yes.
हबीब, सम पीयूष कामले शायद is कि which font is used the most in graphics design?
There is a no particular font. There is a no single font can use in everywhere. I mean, uh, this is very subjective. It depends on the subject matter. I mean, whatever it is. Uh, the poster is very serious, or the designing is very serious, or design is with funky, cartoony. These are various styles. So depends on the design. I mean, there is
Yes, yes.
no
We
particular thing.
see. Yes, yes. We see in horror movie poster the fonts text are different, like in general.
Yes.
Yes, yes. You
Yeah.
can see.
If you are designing something for child, it should be some kind of roundish thing.
Yes.
If you designing anything for corporate, you should have come cut kind of a very straight kind of font should be there, like Arial kind of that kind of stuff.
So whatever you
So
do, it need to be clearly visible, right? The text and the font.
yes,
Yeah,
that's why
thank you.
we are writing text, right?
Yes, yes.
That it should communicate directly with the audience, with the target audience. That's why we are using text.
Yes, Sandipan. I think that's all for today, Sandipan.
Yeah,
Amit, you want to add
Yeah,
something?
okay.
No, it's okay. Already I told regarding this subject or our competition. So,
Okay. So guys, to take part of this competition, just go to our website. All the details are mentioned there. If you want to take part of the next competition, be with us. 27th will launch from the next month first. You can take part of all the competition, and simultaneously you can take part of 2-3 competition as well if you are interested. If you have time, you can take part competition of graphics as well, lighting competition as well. Okay. So be with us. Okay. If you have any
yeah.
question, you can write down to our Facebook page. Yeah. Thank you,
Yeah.
Sandeepan. Thank you,
Thank
Ravi.
you. Thank you.
Thank you, Amit.
Thank you, all of you.
Bye
Thank
bye,
you,
guys.
Abby.
Bye.
Thank
Stay
you,
safe.
Sandipan, and thank you, Ravi.
Bye bye.
Thanks. Thanks. Bye.